Hey guys, how's it going? How to export TikTok data before deletion. First of all, go ahead and open up your TikTok. Okay, if you're planning to delete your TikTok account and want to export your data first, TikTok offers that. Click your profile icon at the bottom right. Okay, and then click the three bars at the top, or three lines or dots at the top right corner. Then click settings and privacy. You're gonna find in the settings and privacy, download your data option, and you're gonna find it somewhere in the account. Yeah, in the account, and you're gonna click right here, download your data. Right, you're gonna continue to request data. Right, and as you can see right here, your data request is being processed, and basically I'm gonna be able to request the data, and they will approve and send me the data as a zip file. Then I'm gonna be able to download it as a zip file from the same settings. Go to download your data, and you're gonna be able to see the pending or downloaded data right here, history, and then I'm gonna be able to basically see the engagements, the followers, the following, and all that. So let's find out the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.